Is this cannibalism? What even is that? So TFF was fun. I know this video is kind of late because I'm really behind with posting these. Anyway, they didn't have any onions at the store, so I had to buy one that was pre-chopped. That means I get to be lazy today. This is, I need to remember what it's called. Pork and sauerkraut. I think this is German. It's okay to assume it is. Sauerkraut is kind of scary, so I don't know if any of you would even want to try this one, but I kind of like it, so I thought it would be neat to try out. Tour the world round 2. Anyway, our total for these few things is $16.41. Sold! Okay, I'm gonna get all this organized. I don't have very much time to get this started because it's kind of late today, so I'll just go ahead and get everything, done. So I cut a hole in the pork bag so it can drain because I don't want any of that juicy stuff in there. Now I will kill my own family member. I'm sorry, Bob, but you were just too sour. How the heck am I even supposed to cut this? Blech. Well, cutting an apple is a lot weirder than I was expecting. I haven't done it before. Okay, that is now everything. Let's just start throwing stuff in. I didn't cry this time. Oops. We start by layering the bottom with the apples and the onions. So let me just kind of spread this out so it's a little bit even. Now I'll just throw the pork loin on top. Ew. Next it says, basically rub 2 tablespoons of mustard over the pork loin. I don't want to do that, so I'm just gonna drizzle some on top and hope for the best. If I can guess what 2 tablespoons looks like. Close enough. And I'm in a mess. Now we finish it off with salt and pepper. I'm missing the most important ingredient. Spicy cabbage. Ew, I can smell it. It's kind of gross smelling. Now we throw in some salt and pepper. We finish with our chicken broth, and then we are good to go. So we now cook it on low for 6 to 8 hours. I will see you soon. Ow. And it's done. And here is our mystery meat. What even is that? So at this point, all we really need to do is break apart the giant block of pork, and then it is ready to serve. No toppings this time, because I don't even know what would go good with that. So, doesn't even look like anything. Kind of scared to try this because I have no idea what to expect out of it. I don't think I've ever had something like this before, but I guess we'll find out. So here we go. Thanks for watching. Feel free to try it if you like it. Okay, update. It was not bad. Kind of like sweet and sour chicken, if it was German made, I guess. That's one way to describe it. Yeah, not bad. Well, this one was pretty weird, but not bad. I liked it. I think you could use like some other stuff in there. Maybe some more seasonings, I don't know. There's something it could use. Also, I found out that apples dissolve in a slow cooker if you put them in for too long. That's new to me, but if you don't want that to happen, you can throw them in closer to like 2 hours until it's done instead of throwing them in right at the beginning. I don't know. You'll figure it out.